another day, another video, or another week, another video.
Poor Cassie and her editing fingers.
Al is going to help me learn something new today. Please.
What is it that you want to learn that's new, Cassie?
You know, like how I do the dismount?
Right.
And I just jump off and then I let the bike go and it lands on its side stand.
Right.
So I want to learn to jump over the front and then, oh dear, oh no, I'm stuck. And then jump through like this and then jump back up and then wheelie away.
I've got a feeling we're going to end up with a lot of butt in our face.
Have you got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, thought so.
Right, so what I have to do is jump through, catch the bike, and then jump back onto the tank, and then do a wee-wee. Can you let go of the bike when I jump through? Ready? Okay. Woo! I got it! Okay, can you hold it again?
Not until you're on it.
You're so mean if you let me drop. Ellie, don't be mean! No, please, that would have been backwards. I would have I would have back head planted.
Bum plant.
Okay, should I try that?
Yeah. I'll get the big camera in case you crash.
Thanks.
It's alright.
We're gonna try something that's probably really dumb. I can do this. I believe in myself.
What do we reckon? Can she do it?
I can do this. Okay. Oh, what a shame. That was supposed to happen. Ah! Oh no, my poor baby. Ah! Whew. Okay, I got it. Now what? Okay, I'm just gonna walk out of frame. Bye. Ah! Now I have to do something with this. Ah! Woo!
Well done!
Woo! So I feel like I've got a lot more to practice with that trick, but I'm happy with where I got today. I yanked my shoulder, so I am done.
There's a couple of crashes I saw. It's not a super hard trick, but it's about getting your body programmed with the timing, and then when you've got that, you've got confidence to it. So I guess it's the same with anything though, isn't it? When you're like new to it, you feel clumsy, and once you, yeah.
Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
See you there. Right, that was awkward, wasn't it?
Yeah.